Nice meeting you again. Good day, everyone. You're welcome back to my channel. What I have today is how to make a Kurti gown. It's a very simple gown to make. Something you can do on your own. So if you're watching my tutorial for the very first time, I welcome you to this channel. All you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and make sure you put on your notification bell so that each time I release a new video, you have access to it. And you can appreciate my work by clicking on the liking button and share it as well. Thank you. Now, the length for this gown is 52 inches, while the top, the half length is 16.5 inches, and the bust is 40 inches, while the waist 33 inches. And right now I shall be using the biggest part of the bodice to cut out the fabric. Now the biggest part is the bust, which is 40 inches, and 40 inches divided by 2 gives me 20 inches plus extra 5 inches. So I shall be cutting out 25 inches as the width, both for the front panel and for the back panel. So by the time I cut it out, I will show it to you. Now the shoulder line is 16 inches, and 16 inches divided by 2 gives me 8 inches. So I shall be marking my 8 inches right here. So length of armhole 8.5 inches. So I connect the line up. So for the bust, 40 inches, and 40 inches divided by 4 gives me 10. So I have 10 here. Plus 2 inches. I have 10 here plus extra for the seam allowance. So coming to the waist is 33 inches, and 33 inches divided by 4, whatever you have is what I shall put there. I have less than 8.5 inches. Plus my dart, 1.5 inches. Plus my seam allowance. So from this edge, I shall be marking 4 inches for the width. So I'm going to connect the line. Then I mark on the right side 0 point less than 1 inch. On my left side less than 1 inch. Here less than 1 inch, to give me my 1.5 inches which I have here. So I'm going to measure 6 inches, and I connect. Now the neckline, 3 inches, five inches for the depth of the front neckline. Then for the back, 1.5 inches, now we connect. So this line I'm going to connect and coming to the armhole, the slope less than 1 inch, then I connect. Then from there I'm going to measure. I have from here I have 7.5 inches, so I shall be from here I'm going to mark 4 inches. Then from there I mark less than 1 inch. So the next thing I shall be doing is to cut it out. So this is going to be our dart. Now coming to the down part of this gown, I've folded my fabric now into 2. Actually I was supposed to fold it into 4. So what I will do, since I've folded it into 2, after cutting the front panel, I will use this front panel to cut the back panel. So this is the top. I will place it right like so. Can you see? I've left out this. This is my zipper allowance. I've left it out. So I'm going to place it like this to the tip. Like this. So, having placed it like that, so I will now bring out the shape of the down part of the gown. So, but before then, I'm going to measure from here. I shall be measuring, because I told you the full length is 52, and 52 minus 16 inches, I have 36 inches. So I'm going to measure 36 inches plus 1 for my folding at the base. So I will have my 37 inches, the total of 37 inches here. I have it here. Then the other side here, because I want it to give me a shape of flare, so I'm going to measure. Here will be 39 inches instead of 37 inches which I have here. I've added extra 2 inches here, so I shall be measuring 39 inches right here. I have my 39 inches here. So this 37 inches, this is 37 inches, here is 39 inches. So I'm going to make a straight line up to the midpoint here. So I will still replace the top of this gown on the edge here. So after this, I will make a slant curve connecting this place to that where I have my 39 inches point. So can you see? So from this end, I shall be marking 3 inches here, or 4 inches, then I'm going to connect to the line I have here. So I'm going to cut right from there. So like I said, I'm going to use this to cut out the back panel. So this is the end result of the cutting of my kuti or or A-shaped gown or suit gown. So that is that. We have come to the end of this tutorial. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed before for new updates. And always appreciate my work by giving it a thumbs up. Thanks very much for watching this video. Bye for now. Now this is what I call kuti gown or suit gown. In African here, we call it A-line gown. So easy to make. So easy, so easy. All you need to do is to watch this video to the end. You will discover at the end you can make it yourself. I promise. It's so nice to make. Thank you for watching. Okay.